So guys, now we're gonna do typical passage two. Typical passage two. Why it's typical? Because as usual, you will be having like matching information followed by matching names, and then short answer questions today. Short answer questions. All right. So we are reading about achieving work-life balance. So work-life balance, what it is? Work-life balance is how much time you are spending, how much quality time you are spending versus how much time you spend at work. All right, that's like what work-life balance. Research suggests that working few hours may be beneficial. If you work fewer hours, if you work less, it's apparently good for you. All right. So I am dealing with three types of questions. These are not in order. This is not in order. This is not in order. But I know the names are in order. But the short answer questions are luckily in order. All right, they are in order. This type of question in order, it checks if you can understand specific detail. I actually tell you, man sizga dars kursimiz boshlangandan beri faqat mana shu ikkita savol turi kelsa, biza har biriga qaraymiz deb gaplashganmiz. Faqat mana shu savol turida. Qolgan hamma savol turlari o'rnida keladi. Qolgan hamma savol turlari o'rnida keladi. All right? Mana shu ikkitasidan boshqa. All right? Ham yo'q. Oxirgisi short answer questionlar har doim o'rnida keladi. Xo'p, endi men kimdir yozdi, o'shani o'chirmasam bo'lmaydi. O'chiramiz odamni. Yeah, ishini. All right, endi o'qiymiz. Bu text haqida ideyaga ega bo'lamiz. It's about work-life balance. Then I start reading it. The claim that one work initiative may not be suitable for all businesses. Bitta tashabbus hamma bizneslarga ham to'g'ri kelavermaydi. All right? An estimate desa raqam kerak. Estimate desa raqam kerak. How much time ancient humans spent working? Ancient humans. Qancha soat ishlagan? 3 soatmi, 2 soatmi? Reference to politician who is what? Interested in changing the way people's working lives are organized. The keyword is organized. This person is wanting to change the way. The claim that today people are working harder, but feel that their lives have not improved. People are working harder, but their lives not have improved. All right. One expression that's commonly used today, many may not be helpful because it oversimplifies complicated situation. All right. That oversimplify, that's a keyword. After the experiment, people had a higher opinion of business, and staff were happy to continue. Higher opinion of business and staff continue to working for us. Okay. Experimentdan keyin biznes haqida odamlarning fikri oshibdi. Keyin ishchilar ham ishlashni boshlabdi. Bitta qilsak bo'lmaydimi? Yo'qda. Hammasini qilsangiz, chunki ism chiqib qolsa-chi mana bu ismlardan bittasi. Mana chiqib ham o'tiribdi. Mana bu ism chiqib turibdi. Mana bu yoqda katta ehtimollik bilan 18 dan 22 gacha ham javob bor. Bu har birini ko'rsangiz, bunaqa qilsangiz, masalan, mana bu savol turi chiqib qolsa-chi birdan 23 dan 26 gacha. Savol turlarining hammasini o'qib olishdan maqsad, qaysi biri chiqib ketsa ham javob berib ketaveraman, farqi yo'q. All right? Menimcha katta anaqa emas, katta nima deydi? It's not a big deal. Sababi uni siz savollarga har doim qarab tursangiz bo'ladi. Hamma keywordlarni esdan chiqmaydi. Keyword yodlab qolish kerak emas bu yoqda. Har bitta so'zda bitta so'z bor. Har doim savolga qarab tursangiz bo'ldi. Chunki siz bilasiz, mana bu savol turi har doim ketma-ket keladi. Uni mana esimdan chiqib ketadi, u hamma esimdan chiqib ketadi. Faqat har doim savolga qarab turasiz, tamom? All right? Evidence shows that workers who are given more personal time actually spend some of it on activities that benefit the company. Kompaniyaga foydasi tegadigan aktivitelarga o'ziga vaqt berganda ham kompaniyaga foyda tegadigan ishlar qilibdi. Overworking is the most significant issue, then sometimes realized and should be taken more seriously by those involved. All right, overworking yaxshiroq, kattaroq muammo ekan. Involving staff at every stage of organizing the trial was one of the reasons for its success. Har bitta bosqichda ularni ishchilarni qatnashtirish muvaffaqiyatga sabablardan biri edi. What service was provided by the company in New Zealand experiment? New Zealand experimentda qanaqa New Zealand experimentda qanaqangi servis bergan? All right. What research method, bidaga research method kerak ekan, was used to gather data ga qanaqa research methoddan foydalangan? Which group of people report that staff worked together more closely during the new experiment? Qanaqa odamlar aytdi, birga yaxshi ishladi. According to Dr. Graham, what problem outside the workplace might be addressed by working shorter hours? Qanaqa muammo yechilishi mumkin? Xo'p, bu savol turlari o'rtada keladi. Mana birinchisiga qarab qo'ysam bo'ldi, keyin ketma-ket kelaveradi. Bularga qarab o'qishni boshlaymiz. Men buni tugatganimdan keyin, 14 dan 17 gacha hammasiga qarayman. Keyin agar mana bu ism chiqqani uchun hammasi mana bundan 19 dan 22 gacha ham, 18 dan 22 gacha ham qarab chiqaman. All right? Anthropologists calculate that in the Stone Age, approximately 2 million years ago, the ancestors of modern humans worked on average 2 or 3 days hunting and gathering food. We already have an answer. This amount of labor was all necessary for survival. Shuncha ishlashlik tirik qolishga muhim bo'lgan. Today it's not uncommon to work 50-60 works a week and sometimes more. Bugun hozir ishchilar 50-60 soatlab ishlaydi. At the same time, there is a substantial body of international research showing that levels of work-related stress have never been higher. Shu ko'p ishlashlik bilan work-related stress ham vashti ko'paygan. Work-related stress, right? Psychologist Dr. Gina McDowell argues that the problem of stress caused by working too many hours still does not receive recognition, ought to be addressed with greater commitment by executive employees and academics. Ana opa aytyapti, ko'pchilik ko'p ishlashdan kelayotgan stress muammosi haqida gapirmaydi. Buni biza boshliqlar, ishchilar, akademiklar ko'proq gapirish kerak deyapti. Dr. McDowell is one of many calling for a better work-life balance, spending appropriate amount of time at work, but leaving sufficient hours in the day to enjoy family, friends, and recreations. Opa shunga argue qilayotgan ekan. Shunaqa qilaylik deyotgan ekan. Ikkita javob chiqdi bizada. 14 dan 17 gacha bitta javob bor, 18 dan 22 gacha ham hamcha bitta javob bor. All right? Claim that one tashabbus haqida gap yo'q, lekin estimate bor. Mana bu joyga qarasangiz, birinchi gapida qadimgi odamlar dedi, necha soat ishlagan dedi? 2-3 soat ishlagan kuniga deyapti. Shuning uchun javobimiz nima bo'ladi? A bo'ldi 15 ga. Opa qanaqa gap aytdi? One expression haqida gapirmadi, business haqida fikr ochdi demadi. More personal time the business ga foydasi. Overworking is more a significant issue. It doesn't receive sufficient recognition degan ko'pchilik bu haqida gapirmaydi deyapti. Taken more seriously by people involved degani esa commitment by executives employees degani. Shu uchun javobimiz nima bo'ladi? 21 ga ham A bo'lar ekan. Ko'ryapsizmi? Ikkita savol javob chiqdi. Mana kimdir aytayotdi, faqat bitta tomonni qilsam bo'lmaydimi birdaniga? Yo'q, mana birdaniga javoblar chiqib qolishi mumkin ekan. All right? Working too many hours degani overworking degani. Doesn't receive sufficient recognition degani, it's a more significant issue than sometimes realized. Xo'p, davom etamiz. Yana qarang. Ismlardan biri kelsa, masalan uchun Carla Gen degan ism keldimi yo'qmi? Kelibdi mana. Mana shu ism kelgandan keyin hammasiga yana qarab chiqaman bir marta va 14 dan 17 gacha ham qarab chiqaman. 14, 16, 17 ga ham qarayman. Perhaps leading the Okay, can you guys unmute? Right. Perhaps leading the search for work-life balance are technology companies. Eng ko'p qarayotganlar texnologiya kompaniyalari who frequently allow employees greater flexibility in terms of in everything from working hours, dress code to office design. Global tech giant Media operates what it calls 20% scheme. Its engineers are free to use 20% of their working week, one full day, in any they want. All right, interesting. Mana 5 kundan bir kunini xohlaganday sarflaydi. Ryan Schmidt, the director of human resources, productivity in the company. Okay, Ryan Schmidt degan ism ham keldi. All right. Now, productivity in the company generally has increased significantly over the last, but there is common perception in the works that standards of living have not kept pace. Qarang, mana bunaqa degan anaqa bor ekan. Productivity juda oshib ketgan 50-yilda, lekin ishxonada bitta fikr bor. U ham bo'lsa, hayot standartlari oshgani yo'q degan fikr bor ekan. Bizning kompaniyamiz ana shu fikrni o'zgartirish kerak deyapti. Mana shu fikrni o'zgartirishimiz kerak. Bitta javob bor o'sha. Mana 17 javobi bor. 17 ga qarasangiz shunaqa degan. 17 ga qarasangiz mana odamlar ular his qiladiki, ularning hayoti o'sgan, yaxshilanmadi. Their standard of living haven't kept pace deyapti. anaqa mahsuldorlik, unumdorligi oshdi, lekin ularning hayot standarti oshmadi. Business analyst Carla Deng made the study of this, says the results are overwhelmingly positive. Our research found that when employees have greater individual choice and responsibility, they still devote some of these free hours to fulfilling their normal working roles, and they also feel a lot happier. Exactly. Bu brat aytibdi, opa aytibdi, agar ishchilarga vaqt bersang, shuni ham kompaniyaga foydasi tegadigan ishlar qiladi deyapti. So the answer is what? The answer is what? 20, yes. Evidence that workers are given more personal time, activities that benefit the company, that fulfilling normal working roles. So the answer is going to be what? 22 is going to be, 20 is going to be, if someone is joining at this hour, 20 is going to be what? We're going to be B, Carly Young. All right. Now I'll be also considering other options. All right. So to claim that's going to be B as well. 17. I'm going to write 17 here, B. So, well, somebody asked, do we know anything about why 22 isn't A? Chunki unaqa gap yo'qda. All right. Trail'da har bitta qismida ishchilarni qatnashtirdi degan gap yo'q. Qayerdan oldingiz? Qayerdan oldingiz u gapni? An alternative approach again, method again, taken by some other companies is the 4-day work. All right. Turkunlik ish kuni. Ordinarily, Americans work 8 hours a day, 5 days a week, making 8 soat, 5 kun ishlaydi, 40 soat. Keling deyapti 10 soat ishlaylik 4 kunda. Lekin 3 kun dam olasiz. In general, several studies have shown benefits including reduced stress, increased productivity and more fulfilled employees. Mana shunaqa bo'lganda odamlar stress kamayibdi, unumdorligi oshibdi va bir odamlar o'zini baxtli his qilib ishchilar. Question nima so'rayotganini tushunish uchun vocabulary importantmi? Albatta, nimani tushunayotganingizni bilish uchun, chunki nima o'qiyotganim so'zlardan iborat. So'zni tushunsam gapni tushunaman. To'g'rimi? However, there may also be downsides, according to Dean Hazel, bizada bor, yo'q ekan ism, professor of economics. For example, customers may expect certain employee to be present at 5 days a week and feel disappointed when they're not available. Muammo shunday ekanki, misol uchun bitta ishchi 5 kun keladi deb kutasiz, lekin kelmas ekan. The truth is that such a work day has many attractions, but it will not be appropriate in every instance. Hamma business ham tushurmaydi deyapti Hazel opa. It depends very much on the company concerned. Kompaniyani turiga bog'liq, uni hajmiga bog'liq, uni ichki tizimiga bog'liq va bir-biri bilan munosabatga bog'liq deyapti. Javob nima bo'ladi? I guess yes, you guys are right. Most of you guys are right. 14 is going to be what? 14 is going to be what? 14. See, hamma business ham to'g'ri ko'rmaydi deyapti. May not be suitable. It just depends, right? Let's go. Exactly. Bironta ism chiqdimi, chiqmadimi? Chiqmadi. Chunki Hazel degan. Nima uchun men 23-savolga qaramayapman do'stlar? Men 23-savolga nima uchun qaramayapman? 23-savolga. Savolga nima uchun qaramayapmiz? Yo'q, 22dan keyin keladi degan gap yo'q. Necha marta gaplashdik, Umar? Unaqa narsa yo'q. Hammasi birdan xohlagan joyda kelaveradi uni. U gap yo'q. New Zealand degan gap yo'q. Service degan gap yo'q. All right? New Zealand bilan service degan gap yo'q. O'sha uchun lekin har doim yodingizda tutasiz. Har doim yodingizda tutasiz. Qaysi savol turmani oldin so'radingizlar. Kimdir so'rayapti. Qanaqa qilib men hammasi esimdan qoladi? U har bittasidan bitta so'zni izlab qolsangiz bo'ldi, keyin har doim savolga qarab tursangiz, mana bu so'z kelib qolmadimi deb qarab qo'ysangiz bo'ldi. Ism-ku hammasidan o'zgartirib bo'lmaydigan so'zni topib olish juda oson. To'g'rimi? Indeed, some commentators question the very idea of work-life balance. Misol uchun Faisal Hadi degan opa aytar ekan, o'zi work-life balance degan narsani bo'lishi g'alati der ekan. Sotsiolog ekan. Opa sotsiolog ekan, nima der ekan? All right. Sotsiolog opa nima deyapti? The term work-life balance implies that the two present distinct aspects of life are easily separable. Well, ikkalasi separable narsalar, ikkalasi ikki xil narsa deyapti. In fact, for many of us, work and life intrude on each other all the time. Trying to balance them represents a goal that can never be achieved. Opa aytar ekan, hayot bilan ish degan narsa bir-biriga shunchalik bog'liqlikki, ularni ajratishni iloji yo'q deyotgan ekan. Ularni balans qilishni iloji yo'q. This term work-life balance has become a cliche. Work-life balance degan narsa shunchalik siyqasi chiqib ketgan ibora bo'ldiki, in reality, life is an intricate mix of work and leisure, and the relationship it has so many strands that cannot be divided. Ish bilan ko'ngilochar holat shunchalik bir-biri bilan qiyin bog'langanki, uni ajratish qiyin. The idea of work-life balance it's often as it's often understood has limited value. Odamlar qanaqa tushunsa, agar shunaqa tushunigandek tushunsak, uni values kamayib ketadi deyapti. Bitta javob chiqdi. Nima bo'ldi? One expression has commonly used may not be because it oversimplifies. Yes, it's oversimplifies, complicated, situated again. It's like intricate mix, difficult mix. So for 18, it's going to be what? For 18, you're gonna write what? You're gonna write Basil D. All right. Kimdir yana bitta savol so'radi. Ustoz, olimlarning ro'yxati fikrlar tartibda almashmagan bo'lsa e'tibor bermay qo'yuriladimi? Yo'q, ketma-ket keladi har doim. All right, har doim ketma-ket keladi. Ismni har doim ketma-ket. Men hozir adashib ko'chirib qo'yganman. All right. Kelmasa ham ism chiqsa bo'ldi. Kelmasa ham, misol uchun test qoidasini buzdi deylik. Topasi har doim ismga, har doimgi taktika. Ismni olasiz, o'qiysiz, ketaverasiz. 18ni tushunmadim, qarang. Bitta har doim ishlatiladigan ibora o'zi foydasiz deyapti. Chunki u qiyin situatsiyani osonlashtirib tashlaydi. Ya'ni tushunish qiyin bo'lgan situatsiyani juda osonlikcha tushunadi. Ya'ni uni o'zi aslida qiyin narsani oson qilib ko'rsatib qo'yar ekan. Aytayapti, work life balance degan narsa klishe, siqashib ketgan ibora bo'ldi. Aslida hayot, ish va dam olish, ko'ngilochar narsa, bular hammasi bir keskin bog'langan qiyin mix deyapti. Va ular o'rtasidagi munosabat shunchalik ko'p strandlari borki, iplari borki, bir-biridan nima qilib bo'lmaydi, ajratish oson emas uni, deyapti. All right? Shu uchun javob D bo'ldi. One expression in work-life balance may not be helpful, chunki it can have limited value. Xo'p, mana bunga ham qarashim kerak endi. A reference to politician haqida gapirdimi? Bironta siyosatchi haqida gapirdimi? Siyosatchi haqida gapirmadi. Shuning uchun davom etamiz. However, a recent experiment has certainly challenged this idea. Oversimplify so'zini bilmasangiz, bilishga harakat qilasiz. Mana over degan, simplified, simple degan so'zni bilasiz. Oddiy degan, to'g'rimi? Fy degani fe'l. Otlashtirasiz uni. Oversimplify. I am over 15 deysiz. To'g'rimi? Keyin so'zni o'zagiga qarab topib olasiz. Agar so'zni umuman boshqa so'z bilmasamchi desa, bu test topa olmaysiz. Chunki test shuni testi. Test so'z bilish testingiz. Yo bilasiz yo bilmaysiz. Shu so'z yodlaysiz har kuni. However, recent experiment has recently challenged this idea. Yaqinda bitta eksperiment bo'libdi. Shu fikrni, qaysi fikrni desangiz, mana opa aytib ketdi, work life balance degan narsa ahmoqona narsa deb aytibdi. Bu fikrni ga teskari gap aytilibdi. All right. However, recent experiment has certainly challenged the idea. Bu yangi oxirgi eksperiment mana shu fikr, qaysi fikr desa, referencingni orqaga qaytasiz. Orqaga qaytasiz. Mana opa aytib ketuvdi, hadiya aytuvdi. Do'stlar, work life balance degan narsa bo'lmaydigan narsa degandi. Yo'q, bu yangi eksperiment deyapti. Yo'q, to'xta, bor narsa deyapti. Employees at New Zealand company involved worked for mana 8 soatdan ishlabdi. For 5, lekin 5 soatiga pul to'labdi. All right, 5 soatiga to'labdi. The experiment was conducted at Certified Life. Certified Life degan kompaniyada olingan ekan. Ular nima qilar ekan? 60 yildan beri insurance sotar ekan. insurance sotar ekan ular, sug'urta sotar ekan. At the end of the experiment, 87% of employees felt they were able to manage their work-life balance, up from 57 when working a standard work week. Qarang, ular for 8 hour days a week. 4 kun ishlabdi, lekin 5 kunga pul to'labdi. Alright, 4 kun ishlagan bo'lsa ham kompaniya 5 kun pul to'labdi. Avval 54% kasbida xursand bo'lgan bo'lsa, hozir 78% odam xursand. Men ishlamagan kunimga ham pul to'ladi deb turadi. The 248 employees certified completed the surveys at the beginning and at the end of the experiment to provide information. Kompaniyaga kim qanaqa qilib informatsiya yig'gan, bu tadqiqotni o'tkazayotgan odamlar nima bergan? Ularga ikkita javob chiqdi, 23 chiqdi va 24 javob chiqdi. 23 va 24. 23 ta javob nima bo'ldi? 23 what service was provided by the company? Qanaqa insurance, right? Insurance. Va 26 ga javob esa 26 ga 24 ga 24 ga javobchi. Surveys, exactly. Boshida va oxirida survey berilganda deyapti. Shuning uchun javob nima bo'ladi? Qanaqa research methoddan foydalangan? So'rovnoma to'ldirtirgan ekan. Surveys bo'ladi. 24. Xo'p, qaraymiz, yana davom etamiz. O'zlari deadline'da topish kerak. Qaysi tasklarni complete qilish kerak. And then were responsible for o'sha qarorni ham o'zlari amalga oshirish kerak. Lead researcher Dr. Hannah Graham, Hannah opa nima debdi? Hannah opa aytishicha, eksperiment juda pozitiv result topdi, chunki hammaga qatnashishga imkoniyat bergan ekan. Butun bosqich davomida hamma ishchilar qatnashgan ekan. Bu 22-savol javob chiqdi, ha? 22-savol javob nima bo'ldi? 22 iyi bo'ldi. To'g'rimi? Sababi hamma degani every stage degani throughout degani, throughout ga sinonim bo'ladi. Decision making desa right, involving stuff ga sinonim bo'ladi. Involve ga sinonim bo'ladi. Shuning 22-javobi shunaqa bo'ldi. Xo'p. Qaysi guruh odamlari together more closely yanada birga ishlaydigan gap yo'q edi. Hozircha qaramaymiz. All right. Yo'q unaqa narsa. New Zealand experiment. Yana bitta savol qolib ketmovdimi? Politician haqida ham gap kelmadi. New Zealand experiment also showed a 7% drop in stress levels when working fewer hours without any drop in productivity. Stress level ham tushibdi, lekin unumdorligi tushmabdi. The chief executive Tane Robinson degan brat nima deyapti? 4-day work boosted the firm's reputation. Firmani reputatsiyasini oshiribdi. And make it easier to retain staff who might otherwise moved on. Ketmoqchi bo'lgan ishchilarni ham olib qolibdi. Ketmoqchi bo'lgan ishchilarni olib qolgan bo'lsa javob nima bo'ladi? Shu mana shu gap bo'ladi 19da, to'g'rimi? After the study, like reputation degani, oshdi degani, reputation oshdi degani higher opinion degani bo'ladi. Shu uchun javob nima bo'ldi? F bo'ldi. Xo'p, 19. Is it usual sometimes when you have confusion I answer surveys but while that's which group of people reported that staff worked together more closely? Top gallery. Cooperation between employees was seen to improve significantly when working shorter hours and team cohesion was significantly enhanced according to the supervisors. Kim aytdi ana shu narsani? Ishchilar orasida zo'r oshib ketdi degan gap kim aytib berdi? Cooperation oshib ketdi degani kim aytyapti? Kim aytdi o'sha gap? Tane deb yozdingizlar. Qani oldingizlar Tane? Tane nima Tane deyapti? Tane'ni qayerdan olyapsizlar? Mana aytyapti-ku, ishchilar o'rtasidagi cooperation oshdi degani staff work together more closely degani. Team cohesion ga sinonim bo'ladi. Team cohesion According to the supervisors, kim aytdi deyapti? Supervisors bo'ladi. Supervisors, right? All right. Apart from the benefits of certified life, Dr. Graham also suggests that such schemes might also address the issue of congestion in major cities by restricting the number of scores. Yana bitta muammoni yechar ekan bu. Qanaqa muammoni yechar ekan? Qanaqa muammoni yechar ekan? Dr. Graham fikricha 26 ga nima bo'ldi shunda? Congestion bo'ldi. Congestion. 26 shunda congestion. Roland Gillespie, workplace relations minister Brat nima demoqchi? Mana shu minister ekan. Described the findings enormously encouraging that he was keen to see businesses experiment with similar new improved work models. Brat shunaqa ministrimiz aytayaptiki, bu topilgan natijalar juda uni encouraging qiladigan natijalar deb hisoblayapti. Ko'plab bizneslarni shunaqa yangi modellar bilan improve eksperiment qilib ko'rishni xohlayotgan ekan. Bu o'z-o'zidan bizada bitta javob bor, qolib ketgan javob bor edi. Minister politician sinonim bo'ladi. Shu uchun javobimiz nima bo'ladi? Mana shu qolib ketgan 16-savolimiz mana shu javob bo'ladi. 16-savol nima bo'lar ekan? F bo'lar ekan. Xo'p, bitta bizda savollar bor. Savollarga qaraymiz. Savol 23 dan 26 gacha bo'lgan savollarni o'qish shart emasmi? Birinchi savolni o'zi yechsa yetarlimi? Endi o'qib qo'yaverasiz, lekin birinchisini o'qisangiz yetadi. Short answer questions tos, javoblarni paper based examda katta farqi yo'q. Xohlasangiz одноклассник stilda yozsangiz bo'ladi. Bitta katta, bitta kichkina, bitta katta, bitta kichkina. Uni umuman farqi yo'q. Xo'p. Keyin qayerdandir kimdir tushunmadi. 19 da very happy bo'yotdi-ku, sal tushunmadim. Xo'p, qarang. After the experiment, odamlar biznes haqida yaxshiroq fikrga ega bo'ldi va ishchilar qolishda davom etdi. To'g'ri ham xuddi shunaqa deyapti. Kompaniyani reputatsiyasi oshdi degani higher opinionga sinonim bo'ladi. Staff qoldi degani, retain degani, continue working degani. 14 ta tushuntirib yuboring. 14 ga ham qarab o'raveramiz. Claim that one workplace initiative may not be suitable for all businesses. Bitta ishdagi tashabbus hamma bizneslarga mos tushmasligi mumkin dedi. Mana qarasangiz aytdi, mana 4 kunlik ish kuni taklif qildi. 5 kun 8 soatdan ishlagandan ko'ra 4 kun 10 soatdan ishlaydigan kun taklif qilindi. Keyin bu opa aytayapti, professor Hazel aytayapti. Bu narsa hamma kompaniyaga ham tushurmaydi, hamma holatda ham tushurmaydi. Bu kompaniyani turiga, uni kattaligiga, uni ichki strukturasiga, mijozlar bilan, partnyor bilan, ta'minlab beradigan supplierlar bilan hammasini bir-biridagi отношенияsiga bog'liq. Bu narsa tushmasligi deyapti. One workplace initiative degani tur kun ishlashlik, hammasiga tushurmaydi degan, not suitable degan. Virgul bilan berilgan uzun so'zlarni qaysi tarjima qilish uchun asosan qaysi grammardan foydalanadi? Defining, non-defining relative clause deyiladi. U non-essential, essential clause deydi. Kimda hamma har xil aytadi. Xohlagan harfingizni yana oyatlar aytaman. Xohlasangiz bitta katta, bitta kichkina, xohlasangiz bitta katta, bitta kichkina. Hamma harflarni kichkinada yozish. Nima uchun hamma katta harfda deyiladi? Tiniqroq ko'rinadi degan maqsadda shunaqa majbur emas, u katta harfda yozib chiqishingizda. Xohlasangiz hamma harfini kichkina harfda yozib chiqing. U sizga aytgani o'zi prosta qayerdandir eshitgan bo'lishi mumkin, katta yozib, katta yozaveradi, lekin katta nima uchun yoziladi? Tiniq ko'rinsin deydi. Chunki PDFingizni skaner qilib yuboriladi-ku. All right? Xo'p, do'stlar, endi maqola o'qiymiz. Maqola o'qishimizdan oldin keling sizlar bilan nima qilamiz? Buni words in the questions, synonyms in the passage. 14. Xohlasangiz kichkina true false yozmaymiz, yozaversangiz ham bo'laveradi. Farqi yo'q. T deb yozaversangiz ham hech kim hech narsa demaydi. One workplace initiative. One workplace initiative. One workplace initiative. Initiative. That means 4-day work week. Yana bitta so'z bor. Yana bitta so'z bor. 14-savolda not suitable for all businesses. Not suitable for all businesses degani, not suitable for all businesses degani nimaga sinonim bo'ladi? Not in every instance degan joyi bor edi. But not be appropriate degani. Not be appropriate in every instance. 15-savolga qaraymiz. 15-savol. Estimate of how much time estimate. Estimate how much time. Much time. Birinchi paragrafda aytadi. Birinchi paragrafda 3 hours a day. 2 or 3 hours a day. A day. Hop, keyingisi 16. 16. Reference to politician. Politician degani nima bo'ldi? Politician so'zi o'rniga. Politician. Minister. 17. 17 esa working harder, life 7 improved. Working harder the o'rniga nima degani? Working too many. Working harder the o'rniga nima ishlatdi 17 ga? Productivity improved. Productivity all right. Productivity improved again. All right. Productivity improved. Oh, okay. Lives haven't improved case. Improved case. Standard of living degan so'z ishlatdi. Standard of living has not kept pace. Kept pace degan so'z ishlatdi. 18 ga qaraymiz. 18 one expression commonly used ga sinonim. One expression commonly used ga sinonim nima bo'ladi? Cliche bo'ldi. U ham bo'lsa qaysi so'z? Work life balance. Work life balance so'zi cliche bo'ldi deyapti. Keyin va keyin oversimplifies complicated situation degani esa oversimplifies complicated situation degani situation esa nima degan so'zni ishlatdi? Right, say bo'ladi. Complicated situation degani intricate mix degani exactly. Intricate degani is difficult degani because it has many parts degani. Higher opinion of business degani. Higher opinion of business. Higher opinion of the business degani. Improved firm's reputation degani. Improved firm's reputation. All right, yana bitta so'z bor. 19-savolimizda continue working. Continue working ham sinonim bor. Continue working retain ga sinonim bo'ladi. Retain. 20 savol. More personal time benefit the company. More personal time. More personal time ga sinonim bo'ladi. 3 hours devote to their fulfilling normal working hours degani. Fulfilling normal working hours roles degani. Bu yoqdagi nimaga sinonim bo'ladi? Savolimizdagi spend some of it on activities that benefit the company ga sinonim bo'ladi. Right? 21 ga qarasak overworking. Nimaga sinonim bo'ladi overworking? Overworking is synonym for what? Working too many hours. Working too many hours. 22. 21 ga sinonim bormi? Taken more seriously. Taken more seriously by those involved. by those involved. Bu yoqda nima deb aytgan? Addressed by mana bu odamlardan degan. Alright. 22. Every stage of the organizing. Every stage degani throughout ga sinonim bo'ladi. Throughout ga sinonim bo'ladi. Decision making mi? Like what involved kelsa involving degani esa involving degani decision making bo'ladi. Decision making ga qatnashtirish degani. 23. Service insurance ga sinonim bo'ladi. 24. Research method surveys ga sinonim bo'ladi. Gather data, collect information ga sinonim bo'ladi, yozib qo'yinglar. Gather data, collect information ga sinonim bo'ladi. 25. Work together, work together more closely degani team cohesion bo'ladi. Team cohesion. Yoki nima degan so'zni ishlatdi 25-savolga? 25 qani edi o'zi? Team cohesion degan so'zni ishlatdi mana. Team cohesion and also cooperation. Va oxirgisi outside the workplace may be addressed. What problem? Issue esa problem sinonim bo'ladi. 26-savoldagi. Problem so'zi nimaga sinonim bo'ladi? Issue ga sinonim bo'ladi. All right, any questions? About, you see, it's after all a test of vocabulary, right? It's nothing but a test of vocabulary, as you can see. What question, guys, do you have about today's two passages? You see, like you do every day, like you learn new words. Well, we'll now read an article. Just give me a second. We'll read an article. All right. So I'm gonna quit. I'm gonna quit this too. All right. What is it that you can see on the screen, guys? Just people, right? All right, that's good. All right, just a second. Can you give one method to learn new words? I told you what I did. Again, I told you guys, I told you what to do. Like I learned through context, and you find out there is no such thing. You just need to understand there is no such thing that worked for me, that works for you, but it's pretty much the same because we learn languages all in the same way. Everybody learns language in the same way. What it is, you learn the words through contextual clues. You learn language through input. You listen to English a lot, or whatever language you're learning. A lot of listening, a lot of reading. That's it. That's how you learn your mother tongue. You listen to your mom a lot, a lot, a lot. The certain words will repeat a lot and a lot, and then you'll be like, okay, okay, my mom, shows me this device, and then she calls it telephone, telephone, telephone. That's probably telephone, and then that's how you remember it. All right, there's no like there's nothing extraordinary here. It's just common stuff, guys. Common things that you know. All right. So yeah, let's get going. Let's go. I prefer to learn new words with definition rather than turning to my native language. Good. How many words normal to learn a day? I mean, however many, it's better. The more, the better. All right, guys. How will we know when we pass 1.5%, not percent, 1.5 degrees of warming? It looks as if the world will pass this key landmark within a decade, but what might not become official until the 2040s, which could waste valuable time. Okay, there's Michael LePage. Demek bu Michael LePage degan brat aytyapti. Qanaqa qilib biza bilamiz dunyo industrial revolutiondan oldinga nisbatan 1,5 gradusga isib ketganini. Biza mana shu narsaga 2000 yana 10 yillarda erishar ekanmiz. Key landmark degan mana qarang so'zakni. Key landmark. Key landmarkga qachon erishar ekanmiz? Key landmark. Mana shu point 1,5 key landmark deb aytyapti-da. Lekin 2040-yilgacha officially aytilmasligi mumkin ekan. Lekin ungacha biza ko'p nimani yo'qotib qo'yishimiz mumkin. Ko'p vaqtni yo'qotib qo'yishimiz mumkin ekan. Xo'p, as the COP2 climate summit in Dubai kicked off nima degani kicked off? Do'stlar, kicked off. Kicked off nima degani? Started degani, ya, started, boshlangandi. The meeting's president Sultan Al Jaber said keeping the key climate target within reach yaxshi bor, qarang. Within reach. Within reach degani it's possible degani. All right, within reach was his only goal. Faqat shuni mani asosiy maqsadim shu yer 1,5 gradusga oshib ketmaslik kerak. Okay, brat vashi kuchli gap gapiryapti. Qani, but realistically, limiting degan, bar degan limit degan ekan. Bar degan nima degan ekan? Limit. Kick off degani start degan ekan. Limiting the mitigating effect on warming of a catastrophic financial collapse, massive meteor, I guess, impact of all-out nuclear war, it now seems inevitable the global average surface temperature will exceed pre-industrial level around this. Within reach degani, yes, qilsa bo'ladi degan. Xo'p, lekin realni qaraydigan bo'lsak, mana bu catastrophic financial collapse what? Ishini mitigating effectini cheklash nima? Muqarrar. It seems inevitable degan, muqarrar degan. Inevitable. Keling, mana shu yo'lni yaxshiroq tushunaylik, men uncha o'zim tushunmayapman. Realistically deyapti, realni olib qaraydigan bo'lsak, barring the mitigating effect on a warming of a catastrophic financial collapse, a massive meteor impact all around, it now seems inevitable the global average surface temperature will exceed degani oshadi degani, to surpass degani, oshmoq degani. Pre-industrial levelga qaraganda 2030-yillarda oshib ketar ekan. Xo'p, bar degan limit ekan. Kim nima tarjima qilib beradi mana shu gap? Nima demoqchi mana shu joyda? Nima demoqchi? All right. Endi aytmoqchi, mana bu qismi aniq. Mana bu qismi aniq. Nima deydi? Bu aniq global temperaturalar 1,5 gradusdan oshadi mana shu yilga kelib. Birinchi qismichi? Birinchi qismi nima demoqchi birinchi qismida? Abduqodir to'g'ri aytyaptilar. Barring bu yoqda except degan ma'nosi bo'lishi mumkin. Barring the mitigating effect on a warming or catastrophic financial collapse, massive material impact. But realistically, barring the mitigating effect, barring, let's check it. Barring. What does he want to say? To barring. All right, barring, except for, unless. Qarang, mana bu unless degan ma'noda ishlatilayotgan ekan. Unless qanaqadir finansiy anaqa collapse bo'lib yoki massive meteorit ta'siri yoki nuclear anaqa bo'lmasa, aniq bo'ladi, mana shunaqa bo'ladi deyapti. All right? Bu yoqda barring unless degan ma'noda bor ekan. Unless there is there degan ma'nosi bor ekan. All right? Barring the nima degan ma'nosi bor ekan? Unless there is there degan ma'nosi bor ekan. All right, qarang. Chunki men sizga limit degan ma'nosini taqiqlamoqmi degan ma'nosi bor, bar. All right, bar to ban or prevent. To be clear, our failure to stay under will have catastrophic consequences for people around the world. Agar 1,5 gradusdan oshib ketsa, dabdala chiqadi. It presents a scientific problem under the definition currently accepted by most climate scientists. Inevitable muqarrar degan. It will definitely happen. Unavoidable. Inevitable means unavoidable. Inevitable means unavoidable. Unavoidable. All right. But it also presents a scientific problem. Under the definition currently accepted by most climate scientists, climate scientists actually definition accepted. We would not know we had passed the limit until, as it requires looking back over an extended period to get an average figure. Biz o'rtacha figurani topishimiz uchun ko'p yilga qarashimiz kerak. O'zi dunyo 2030-yilda yo'q shunchaga isib bo'lgan bo'ladi, lekin biz uni effektini qachon ko'rgan bo'lar ekanmiz? 2000-yilda ko'ramiz deyapti, 2040-yilda. All right? Qiziq. That means much time could be wasted arguing about whether we have passed the limit instead of how we could the world down. Biz bir-birimiz bilan argu qilayotgan bo'lamiz. O'zi o'sha 1,5dan o'tib ketdikmi degan anaqani o'rniga, dunyoni sovutish o'rniga biz shu haqida qayg'urayotgan bo'lamiz. Ya'ni 1,5 gradusda o'tdikmi, o'tmadikmi? That's why he and his colleagues have proposed a solution. Yechim taklif qildi, propose a solution. All right, that's a good language. Propose a solution. Nima ekan yechim? You need a definition. Agreed in advance. Hozirdan bitta definitionga agree qilib olishimiz kerak. In advance degan oldindan degani. So that when we get there, we say, okay, right, let's just get on with dealing with it. Get on again, start again. Get on with doing something again, start doing something again. All right? Get on with doing something again, start doing something. Shu yetganimizda o'sha paytga islaringni ham shunaqa qiluvdik. The goal of keeping warming below has its origins in the 2015 Paris Agreement when countries pledged degani hamma kelishib bir-biriga maqsad qo'yib va'da berdi. Not just to keep the rise in surface temperature well below, but also try to limit the increase to 1.5 degrees. Birinchi o'zi asosiy maqsad 2 gradusdan oshib ketmasligiga aniq qilish, harakat qilish, lekin iloji boricha 1,5 gradusdan oshib ketmasligiga ham ikkita raqam bo'lgan ekan. 1,5 gradus bo'lgan ekan, 1,5 gradus. 2 gradus. Asosiy maqsad 2 dan oshib ketmasligi kerak, lekin agar iloji bo'lsa 1,5 gradusdan ham oshib ketmasligini ta'minlash bo'lgan. However, the Paris Agreement failed to define what 1.5 limit means in practice. Amaliyotda in practice amaliyotda degan. Amaliyotda 1,5 gradus o'zi nimani anglatadi? Aytmagan. Instead, it was left to climate scientists to come up with a definition. Climate scientistlarning o'zi nima qilib kelish kerak? Bunga definition topish kerak. One issue is the baseline. What was the pre-industrial temperature? Muammo shundaki, o'zi pre-industrial temperature qayerda boshlangan? Necha gradusda boshlangan? Researchers settled on the average temperatures between o'sha keyin researcherlar qaragan pre-industrial levelda mana shu 1800-yilda, 1900-yillarda temperatura qancha gradus bo'lgan? there was already some human caused warming beforedan. Undan oldin ham inson tomonidan, ya'ni o'rmonlarni kesish boshqa sabab tufayli isib boshlangan, but not enough temperature measurements were being made around the world to be sure of how much. Lekin biz temperaturani o'lchamayotgandik u paytlar. Another problem is that institutions including NASA, UK Met Office, Hadley Center calculate the global surface temperature in different ways. Yana muammo shunda ekanki, NASA bilan UK ikkita center ikkalasi ikki xil o'lchar ekan. Largely due to how they handle the gaps in data in place such as the poles. Bu ikki xil o'lchashiga sabab nima ekan? Ikki xil o'lchashiga sabab misol uchun North Pole, South Pole'lar bor, shunga o'xshagan joylardagi datadagi bo'shliqlar bilan qanaqa yondashishi bilan bog'liq ekan. But the differences are small and can be addressed by combining different records. Lekin farq get on with degan, start doing something degan. All right, lekin farqlar kichik ekan. These records show that there have already been days and month when the average global surface temperature exceeded above, okay, allaqachon nima bo'libdi? 1850-1950 yilga nisbatan o'zi 1,5 gradusga oshib ketgan kunlar ham bo'libdi. It's touch and go as to whether 2023 will be the first year with an average. It could happen next year, if not this year. But would not mean we have passed. That would not have mean climate is generally defined as the average weather over 20 years. Or there is a wide agreement among climate scientists that the limit won't be passed until the 20-year average exceeds. Biz climate deganda oxirgi 20 yillikni o'rtachasini tushunar ekanmiz. All right, the date we cross this is the midpoint of that 20 years. If you try and do 20-year average now, you can only look at the last 20 years. So your time of crossing is 10 years out of date. Hope. Agar deyapti mana climate degan deyapti. Climate o'rtacha nima deb climate'ga qanaqa definition berilar ekan? Climate bu oxirgi 20 yildagi o'rtacha ob-havo ekan. Shuning uchun there is wide agreement among climate scientists. Climate scientistlar bitta narsaga kelishib olgan. Hammasi bir xil fikrda. The limit won't be passed until the 20-year average exceeds. Oxirgi 20 yilligimizda o'rtachasi 1,5 gradusdan oshmagunicha oshmagan bo'ladi. O'sha sana biza o'sha gradusdan o'sha 1,5 gradusdan oshadigan sana 20 yillikda o'rtachasi. If you try and do 20 years average now, hozir mana 2023-24 da turib 20 yillik average qilsangiz, faqat undan oldingi 20 yilga qarab olasiz. U ham bo'lsa 2004 gacha qarab olasiz. Right? So one alternative to use is running on rolling average. Mana shunaqa texnika bor ekan. Nimaligini hozir aytadi. One alternative is to use a running or rolling average. Nimaligini bilmayman. Running and rolling. Running or rolling. Nima degani ekan? Lug'atda ham chiqmadi u narsa. All right, the trouble with this is that if there was a very hot period followed by cool years, we could end up in a situation where actually we haven't exceeded as we thought. Agar bir to'da issiq davr kelib, keyin undan sovuq kunlar kelsa, biz 1,5 gradusdan o'tmadik deb o'ylar ekanmiz. In other words, to avoid a big delay in knowing when we have passed the limit, we need a way of predicting the future. We have exactly that in the form of climate model projections. Bizada shunaqa narsalar bor ekan, ularni oti climate model projection ekan. Ular bizga aytar ekan. Qachon oshdik shundan. His proposal is to work out the 20-year average 10 years ahead. Hozirdan 10 yil oldin o'sha 20 yillik o'rtachasini hisoblab qo'yishimiz kerak. Oxirgi 10 yillikda temperatura o'lchovlarini o'lchash orqali, combine qilish orqali. Because the model projections have so far closely matched the observed of warming. Mana shu modellar bizani kuzatgan raqamimizga to'g'ri kelibdi. So there is good reason to think this approach will be very close. To'g'ri bo'ladi deb ishonsak bo'ladi. According to this method, the world had warmed by the start of 2023 yil oxirigacha boshigacha kelib, dunyo shunchaga isigan bo'ladi. 126 gradusga. The important bit about our approach is that it's fully consistent with existing definitions. Bularni method bilan approach degan method. Bularni methodini to'g'ri joyi shunday ekanki, hozirgi definitionlar bilan mos tushar ekan. So he is hopeful the proposal will be widely accepted. He's calling for intergovernmental panel on climate change to do special report on the issue. Keyin mana shu panel ko'rib chiqadi degan umiddamiz. Bizani aytayotgan fikrimiz qabul qilinadi deb o'ylayman. When we do pass 1.5 degree, the focus needs to be on adaptation, limiting future warming and getting the temperature back down. Agar 1,5 gradusdan ham o'tib ketsak, bizani fokusimiz unga moslashish, qanaqa qilib kelajakda isib ketishni to'xtatish va temperaturani qanaqa pastga tushirsak bo'ladi, shu haqida o'ylashimiz kerak. You won't be wasting time in being distracted by arguing about whether you are at 1.5 or not. Muhimi, bir-biringiz bilan sochingizni yulib yotmagan bo'lasiz deyapti. I mean, overall boring passage, like any IELTS passage sometimes, you know, it's like, it wasn't particularly what, get on with, what was it? Get on with degani, start doing something deb aytayman, start doing something. Xo'p, yana e'tibor bergan bo'lsangiz, bu safar ham nimadan tanladik? Har doimgidek, new scientist. All right, new scientistni biz maqola qilib tanlaymiz, chunki ko'p passagelar new scientistdan olingani uchun. All right, ko'p passagelar new scientistdan olinadi, shuning uchun new scientist o'qiymiz. Guruhga link tashlab qo'ydim, do'stlar. Guruhga link bor. Linksga o'tsangiz, o'sha yerda bor. It's the same one. Просто anaqa new scientist topsangiz bo'ldi. Kompyuterdan kiringda, kompyuterdan. Birdan topishga oson. Telefonda, brauzerda ko'rinmasligi mumkin.